Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate Mailchimp with your GoDaddy website builder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website if you're not already. So go to godaddy.com, and from here we can get started opening up our dashboard and portfolio, and now we can get started editing our website. So here we have the edit website option, from where we can click edit, and it's going to open up our website in editor mode. So from this editor mode we can get started proceeding with upgrading our website and managing it however you like. So here you have the next steps that you can go and proceed with to go ahead and access your website builder, and here you have your options, but at the right side of the screen is where you're going to find everything you need to be able to use your site. So if you have a premium plan, you are going to unlock all the website editing options. Currently I'm on a free plan, so I cannot see them all, but you're going to have your code editor here as well. By using your code editor, you are going to go and be able to integrate Mailchimp to your website using the Mailchimp API. You can find an article similar to this one on how to add Mailchimp to GoDaddy. And so basically you're going to use your HTML from Mailchimp that you're going to get on their website. If you do not know how to do it, just contact Mailchimp customer support, explain what you're trying to do, and they're going to explain to you how to get your HTML code that you can then paste directly into your GoDaddy website, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.